Hi, Dr. Q and Joey Lynn here from Star Nursery. Mother's Day is next Sunday, so we thought we would give you some suggestions for some gardening gifts for Mom.
If your mom likes to garden or is interested in decorating her home and yard with colorful things, we have some great ideas for you to consider.
Let's start with the colorful blooming plants that she can enjoy year after year. A great example is the beautiful blooming rose varieties that are available right now. Whatever your mother's favorite color is, you can probably find a rose to match it. Whether it's a bush rose, a climbing rose, or one of the beautiful flower carpet roses, you're sure to find the one she'll love. They can be planted in the ground or in a decorative container.
More colorful plants for this time of year are bougainvillea, Tacoma bells, gardenia, and coleus. Other flowering gift ideas include color bowls and hanging baskets full of different types of blooming plants. For indoor plants, check out our selection of houseplants that will liven up her indoor space. Also, check out our huge pottery selection for decorative containers for indoors, courtyards, and patios. We also have a large selection of yard art, such as animals, windmills, and wall decorations for the yard.
For the mother who is already a gardener, maybe she could use some new gardening gloves or tools that are wearing out. And for the mother who is just starting to garden, you could assemble a nice starter kit with all the necessary equipment she needs to get started. Or start her out with a large tomato plant that is already starting to produce fruit.
For the mother who loves to cook, make her a small herb garden in a container that she can keep on her patio. If she uses a lot of rosemary or bay leaf, we have plants available to plant in her yard. These are just a few of the many great choices that you can find at your local Star Nursery. And if you just can't decide, you can always give her one of our gift cards for her to pick out something for herself.
It's the middle of spring, and there's always something for the home or garden that Mother could use. Check out our Mother's Day suggestions or get more ideas at starnursery.com or on our free app. And don't forget, we make house calls,
which would make a great Mother's Day gift.
Stop by your local Star Nursery location or call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every bloomin' thing.
I'm Joey Lynn.
And I'm Dr. Q, and we'll see you again next week.